Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to create a table in Google Sheets. So, let's dive right in. Google Sheets has just added a new option to draw a table in Google Sheets. So, let's explore how you can get it. Open your Google Sheet and enter your data. Organize your information in rows and columns, resembling a table structure. Highlight the data range you want to include in your table. This includes headers if you have them. Go to the top menu bar and click on Format. In the drop-down menu, you will find a new option, Convert to a Table. Simply click on it. This action will create a table on your sheet. Now you can customize this table according to your choice. And there you have it. By using this method, you can create a table in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.